When I retired, I suddenly felt older. Taking care of other people took a lot out of me.
I worked so hard to get to where I am today. For a very long time, I didn't even know that the concept of work-life balance existed. I was missing out on the really important things with my family. I needed to make a change. People who know me closely and know how stressful my life was ask me for advice. You have to take care of yourself.
My grandchildren are exhausting, there's no doubt about it, and I can keep up with them now.
I feel like Superwoman. My schedule isn't getting any lighter, but I'm dealing physically with it a lot better. I'm feeling it in every cell in my body.
I think that my happiness is determined by my health. We have to remember that our health starts with our cells, and every cell is important.